Okay, here's the first of our paper pumpkin cards. These cards are from the Gifts Galore November 2021 box. And this will be our first card. You'll have a white base, I already stamped my name on it. You'll have a Poppy Parade layer that is 5 and I think an 1/8 by 4. No, it's not 5 and an 1/8. It's 5 3/8 by 4 and an 1/8. It went down on the quarter, and then this white layer is 5 1/4 by 4. And this is the one we're going to work with. Let's go ahead and glue this one down. Glue that one on. It's just got that little smidge of a border on there. Okay. I'm going to set that aside, and then we're going to work with our white layer. Excuse me, and you're going to use this piece from the kit, and we are going to cut the presents off, and then you're going to cut them up pretty close to the package itself. You can leave a little bit of white on there. But we're cutting them all apart, so you'll want to leave a little bit of the, cut off some of the white, because some of the bows and such are really close together. So just trim those off. And we want the blue one. You could use your paper trimmer as well. Actually, I'll pause you guys until I get all these cut. Alright, I've got all the presents cut off. You're going to save these two for another card. So I got the presents cut off that I need for this card. I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of them. And then you're going to just kind of layer them, start layering them up the paper. You can actually layer them, obviously, however you would like. Don't have to go in this order. Or this kind of, I'll call it a pattern. I put the dimensional on the top of this present, and then I put some adhesive on the bottom because I want the present kind of tucked back in there, but I'm not going to push that down until I get the next one on. Then the blue one's going to go on top. Like so. I'm going to hang that over just a smidge. Going to kind of lean that one up against it. There we go. And then I've got the Poppy Parade is the coordinating color. You can use red or whatever you have at home. I'm trying to think what color came in the kit. Let's see. Oh, Flirty Flamingo came. So you could use Flirty Flamingo as well. Got the Oh What Fun It Is stamp. It's not Oh What Fun It Is, it's just Oh What Fun. Like so. Then we're going to glue that on to the front of our card. And got just that little smidge again, border. Now you could make this card go up and down this way if you'd like. Mine opens like this to the left. And it's blank inside. You could do a gift inside if you want. Like so. I did a gift on the outside of the envelope. You could put one down here as well if you wanted to add a little something to the inside. I think I'm going to add a bow. Just down here, I gotta find my foam. Just down here in the corner, I'm just gonna add a bow. And the first card is done. This card could be either a birthday card or you could use it for a Christmas card if you wanted. But if you put happy birthday in here or something, this could go for any occasion that you had gift giving, even some type of a shower or something. But I just wanted to let you know that this was not intended to be a Christmas card.